Hello friends, today we are going to see the AutoCAD basic in the part 1. Myself Mr. S.P. Udgave, Assistant Professor Mechanical Department, Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering. So outline, in this video we are going to briefly discuss related with the introduction, benefits of AutoCAD, latest version, AutoCAD screen and uh, some commands and initial setup that is required to start the drawing. And after that, in part 2, part 3, we can discuss the how that is our way to provide the commands, how it works, and coordinate systems that is used in AutoCAD, universal coordinate or user coordinate system and world coordinate system, different toolbars, draw and modify different commands, some 2D commands, 3D modeling, some 3D commands, and isometric view in the next parts. So basically, that is a word of AutoCAD is made up of two words. Means first is the Auto that is a logo of company, and CAD means computer aided design. Also, we can call it as a computer aided drafting. AutoCAD is a 2D and 3D modeling software. It is developed by the Autodesk company. Autodesk is an USA based company. It is most widely used in industry for 2D drawing and 3D modeling. In another way, we can say that is AutoCAD. It is a designing course which is performed with the help of the computer. By the different commands we can use and utilize and complete the different machine component drawings, architectural views, and the numbers of applications that is related with the numbers of industries. Versions of AutoCAD. AutoCAD softwares was firstly launched by Autodesk company in December 1982. It comes in India in 1988. The first version of AutoCAD was named by R1, and that is a revision or it is a revised version R2, R3, R4 and so on. In 2000, Autodesk launched a version of AutoCAD 2000. After that 2001, 2 and so on. And today in market, that is a 2019, 2020, the new versions are also available. This time we have to uh, go through the version of AutoCAD is 2013. The latest version is easy to use and overcome to the difficulties of old versions. These are the some benefits and use of AutoCAD. So quickly we can create the designs, improved quality over a hand drafting. It is not possible to create the complicated shape, complicated drawing. It requires more time. So that is a with the help of AutoCAD, we can complete with the minimum time. It is also helpful to calculate the material quantities for production and identify the design problems. So we can easily solve that problem with the help of softwares, make changes easily and reduce the risk of error. Means when we create the design, we can change easily with reducing the errors, and easy layout and viewing possible, easily modified, more accuracy compared with the hand drafting, store and easy to transfer the data safely with the CD, pen drive, we can external drives we can use, and we can transfer that data easily, long time to save time and money. So these are the benefits of AutoCAD software. Also, the application of AutoCAD in engineering, that is a designing of aircraft, aerospace engineering, detailed blueprints are made up using AutoCAD, that is a civil engineering, civil structures, and designing of the structures of the building in civil engineering, designing of the basic layouts of robots in mechatronics and robotics, electronic circuits, it is made up by electrical engineers, piping and instrumentation, details in industry, that is in chemical engineering, and also the designing of the different diagrams in electrical and chemical engineering. So these are the wide area we can utilize the AutoCAD software in architectural, civil engineering, interior design, automotive industry, aerospace industry, mechanical, electrical, and so on. So first, initially, we go through the basically software. So initially, we require to do the some changes. So this is the logo of AutoCAD 2013. After opening, the software look like the screen in this. So initially, we required to do the some changes. So these are the different toolbars: draw commands and modify commands, quick access toolbars, that is a new open. Also we can use the quick access toolbar here also, and in that, so initially we require to change, so the units that is required to draw or complete the drawing, we require the millimeter. So in the software we can go and open, or that is a, we can start the show menu bar. In this, we can go into the format. In format, the first thing that is a, open the unit taskbar and change the insertion scale. Insertion scales, so numbers of insertion scales are available: inches, feet, miles, millimeters, centimeters, kilometers. In most widely or in engineering, all the, that is a scale, it is utilized or they are using millimeters, so change into the millimeters. Also, if you require the precision, the numbers of decimals, we can change precision, and after that click on OK. So next is the limit, page limit we can define uh, through the first that is a slide, that is format of changes. We can go through the format that we need and change into the millimeter. Second one, that is a drawing limit, for to specify the area on screen. Go into the again format, or simply in command bar you can write down the limit, so it will appears here, limit. You can click on this. So lower left corner we can place, that is a 0 comma 0, and again press the enter key. Similar way, so this is the UCS. XY means that is a user coordinate system, XY system. So this is a work on basis of coordinate system. So XY UCS command, so lower left corner we can place as a 0 0, means this is the lower left corner. And right now the next is the command bar shows the specifying the upper right corner, means this is the upper right corner. In that upper right corner we can place, that is a A4 size, because of at the time of final printing page layout we required A4. So how to find the A4 size? Simply go into the file, then plot, So this taskbar shows the A4 paper size, that is a vertical page 210 into 297 millimeters. That is the ISO standard. And by utilizing that, so again that is a use the command bar, press the limit and press enter key. So we can specify the lower left corner 00, that is a UCS, user coordinate system 0, 0, then press the enter key. Then specify the upper right corner. Upper right corner we can place the values, that is a 410 horizontal XY, comma 297, and then press enter. After that, to simply head zoom in, zoom enter, and all enter. You can see the space that is available. Z enter and A enter. So in this area we can work and we can give the printing, or we can complete our drawing. So first we go through the basic commands. So initially page setup, it is a completed, and we are going to start. So these are the commands, draw commands, in which first that is a line command, polyline command, circle command, and arc command. So line command, when we simply place the cursor, so it will shows that is a create the straight line segment with the line. You can create the series of continuous, there is a line segment. Each segment, it is a line of object, can be edited separately. So take the command, this is a cursor, and click on the space. So with any angle we can create our drawing. For horizontal and vertical movement only, so we can use this taskbar, and even in which we can use the ortho mode. With ortho mode, the line will be appears only vertical and horizontal way. So this is a horizontal and vertical, not in angular position. We cannot take any angular position or angular direction. When we off this mode, ortho mode, so simply off the ortho mode, and then you can take any angle to the line. So second click, you can specify the second point of line. Similar way, that is a for third point, fourth point. And to exit from command, simply right click and enter, or enter, press the enter key, or escape command. To resume any command or escape out from any command, simply press escape command and choose the next command to complete the drawing. So these are the some, that is the commands are required to use to complete the drawing. First, that is a snap mode. We can use the snap mode, and after selection of the command, that will shows the points on the drawing. Similar way, this is a grid. When we on the grid, we get the points easily. We can identify the near about points, and we can easily create the drawing. Ortho mode, already we have discussed the ortho mode in that is the diagram or in the figure. Mostly when we require the horizontal lines and vertical lines, so we can on this mode and we can complete the drawing. So we get all the lines in vertical and or horizontal way. When we off this mode, we can get the different angles to line. then press the again escape to escape out from the command. The selection pattern, or to erase the data selection pattern, so simply click the right button on the mouse and select all the drawing and press the delete. So similar way in this, so next after that, when we select the line command specifying the first point, so every time when we select any command, the command bar or command status bar will shows the next what to do. So read carefully instructions and perform with the help of the command bar. Line, that is a specify the first point of the line, we can click on the screen, that is the first point. Then again the command bar shows that is a specify the next point. The next point we can specify, or directly we can put the values if we require the horizontal line or horizontal 100 line on the or ortho mode on 100 put simply 100 and enter. Similar way, that is a for vertical line, that is a 50 then again enter. Horizontally again 100. To complete the rectangle, put the dimensions and end point directly when we click, that is a command bar shows the specify the next point when we click on the end point, it is shows with the help of snap, that is also called as object snap. When we use this, the end points or the particular midpoint will be highlighted, and this mode it is off. At that time the end points will not show. So object snap, it is a always on, it will shows the end points, midpoints and nearest points. So click on the end point and escape out from the command. So these are the some basic related with the first to complete the drawing, ortho mode, polar mode. In the next video we can see detail related with the polar tracking and the remaining, that is a commands of basic commands of the draw and related with the this lower taskbar. Thank you.